So here I'm taking age as an input, and also I'm declaring a boolean type variable and assigning. So boolean has only two values, either true or false. Here I am assigning true to the variable is member. Now I have a check if age is greater than 18. So if it is not, then I am also checking if age is less than 18 and is a member. So access is granted, and because the age is less than 18, so I have a minor member privileges. Otherwise, age less than 18 and not a member, access denied and must be a member to be entered as a minor. Okay. Now if the age is 18 and is a member, so there's a different access is granted anyway, and then adult member privileges is given. If it is greater than 21, then adult non-member privileges, okay, and then finally basic privileges. So this is a nested, and then also you have nest in if and also nest under else. Okay, let's look at a program which does a vowel consonant check. So we are, I'll just run this first. So it's asking for any alphabet. So if I enter Z, it says it's a consonant. Likewise, if I enter I, it says it's an vowel. Okay. So here I'm taking the input for C and capturing it in the variable C, and then I'm checking if C or so for the first case is Z, so Z equals A, E, I, O, U. If any one of these matches, then we are saying it's an vowel, else it's a consonant. The next task is to find the greatest of the numbers. Okay, so I have three numbers, and then I'm trying to find the greatest of the three. So let me enter 11, 12 and 13. 13 is the greatest, and then I'll run it one more time. 21, 44, 23. Okay, sorry, I'm giving the input. 21, 44, 23, 44 is the greatest. Okay, so let's do one more operation on the simple calculator. So 10, and then I'll take 2 just for simple calculations, and I'll perform a multiplication operator that gives us 20. So we are taking two inputs for two numbers, first number and second number, and we are also taking the input for one of the operations to be done. So plus, minus, multiplication and division. So if it is plus, then we are adding and then printing the result, and if it is minus, we are doing the same for the rest of them. And then we also are doing, if it is a division by 0, then we are not allowing it, and then we print division by 0 is not allowed because it throws an error.